What's up, Boober Tubers? Snifty back at Snifty's garage. Today we're going to install and replace the stock Harley Davidson battery with the new Harley Davidson Lithium battery. So I picked these up at the Harley dealership, and I was going to get the plain generic battery, stock battery I should say, and I realized that I had a bunch of money in points at the dealer that I've never spent over the years. I didn't realize that I even had it there. So I got these two things for free. Gotta love the point system. If you guys aren't charging credit cards and paying it off at the end of the month, getting extra points, you're crazy. Don't pay cash. Charge it and pay it off at the end of the month. Be disciplined with your money. Again, this was free. This is a $300 battery, and this was on sale for Christmas. It was maybe 30 bucks, something like that. This is the 1 amp battery charger. Let's take a look at this battery. It's brand new. Let's open it up. Another reason I went with the lithium is I ride in the winter, and this does have better cranking power. When it's in the 20s, my bike is kind of it struggles a little bit to start. The battery doesn't have enough starting power, and plus it's 5 years old. So I figured, what the hell? It's free. Free's for me. Let's do it. Right, everybody throws the boxes on these things, so what the hell? We join the club of the box throwers. Okay. There's a manual. Look of concern on Snifty's face. User guide and warranty. I don't understand. Why would you need a user guide for this? This is the second version from what I was told by the parts counter, that the original version needed brackets to mount it in place, and they had problems with the original version. I mean, this is super light, guys. I mean, it can't weigh more than 6 pounds, 5 pounds. It's really light. They had problems with the original version of this not keeping a charge. This version is supposed to be significantly better, and it's a drop-in replacement. All right, let's see what we got. Looking through this manual, it's so thick because it's in 1,000 languages. Turkey, Polish, so there's all kinds of different languages. So you international guys, you'll be able to understand this anyway, but there's really nothing here. Just tells you the recharge times and technical specs, and it does have a 5-year warranty, which is really good. And that's it on the English part of the directions. Like I said, you don't really need directions for this. All right, let's go put it in. All right, we're gonna move the ECM out of the way. There's 2 little clips here. Just lift them to the side, push them out to the side rather, and just lift this up a little bit, and you have this plate here you got to remove. It is a T40 Torx. All right, so you're going to remove this plate out of the way. It just kind of pops up to the side here. Move it. And that's my way of doing it. And this is my heated gear. And I got to add another one. And there you go. You got the positive and the negative. Now, the negative comes off first. And I always wondered why. I'm not an electrician, so I asked my brother. My brother's an electrician for 40 years. He's licensed. And basically said, look, you don't want to complete the circuit. If you accidentally touch the frame and you take the positive off first, and you actually touch the frame while you're taking it off, you complete the circuit and it'll short everything out. So by taking the negative off, you take the frame out of the equation, right? Which is a big deal. I don't know if any of you guys have ever been zapped by DC current before. I have. It is not. That's better. Curses. The heat went off. Oh no, I'm out of gas. Alright, so basically I removed the battery because it is a pain in the ass and it's heavy. It's about 20 pounds. There's a little pull strap. So use this to pull up, grab your battery, take it out. Alright, we're going to put the new one. Thing is uber light, really, really light. The positive goes on the left side. That's important that you line that stuff up. I'm told that this is a drop-in replacement. Let me get this out of the way. There you go. In place. All right. I got my 2 heated gears, and this looks like the battery tender hookup. Put that in place. Now when you're doing this, again, positive goes first. Make sure she's a good and tight. Good and tight. It's like a German prostitute. Make sure everything's good and tight. All right. All right, positive first. Again, positive first. Where's the other connection here? Here we are. So we got the negative connected. Again, the negative goes last. Okay. Everything is good and tight. And then we're just going to move these out of the way a little bit. Where's the other one? Okay, so this is the one. I'm going to run them both up here. On this side. And then now we're just going to put the plate back in and put the ECM back, and we should be good to go. That's always the fun part, is putting the shit back together. It shouldn't be that big of a problem, though. There we go. Make sure you're not pinching any wires. Go. And then we just got these 2 bolts put back in and we're ready to go. Okay, that about does it. All right, you do need a new battery tender, a dual mode battery tender for lithium batteries. Right, you do not want to plug your regular battery tender into lithium battery. You're going to destroy the battery. Right, so I bought the new one. And of course, I don't understand the packaging of this crap. Over the price. It doesn't have to look pretty coming out of the box. Well, that's just me. Battery charger. Right, so this is supposed to have mode, right? You want to put it on lithium and then plug it in. Simple enough. So that about does it, guys. Easy enough to change a battery. Again, I went with lithium just because of the winters here, and it gets pretty damn cold. And again, it was free, so what the hell? So maybe you guys will have the same luck as I do. Hopefully you do. Peace out. Snifty Dugan signing off. Hey, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification icon. Help the guy out. Peace.